13.1 Theoretical Probability of Simple Events. So today we're going to continue to talk about more on probabilities. Again, simply put, chances of an event happening. So here we're going to focus on theoretical probability. The probability that an event occurs when all the outcomes of the experiment are equally likely. And the fact that what's important about theoretical probability is that we're assuming that all events will have equal chance. So for example, the chance of winning a game and chance of losing a game may have the same possibility, whereas sometimes that may not be the case in the real life. Okay, so here is the probability of an event happening formula. So here, P in parentheses event doesn't mean P multiplied by event. It means what is the probability of an event happening. Okay, so if I were to say P in parentheses winning, what I'm talking about, what is the probability of winning? So to find the probability of an event, what you want to do is you want to be able to find the number of ways the event can occur and divide that by the total number of equally likely outcomes. For example, if I want to know what the probability of winning is, then I want to know, so how many ways can I win? Divide that by all possible outcomes, which includes winning and losing and also tying the game. So let's take a look at this example down here. A bag contains 3 red marbles and 9 blue marbles. So you select a marble at random from the bag. What is the probability that you selected red marble? What is our desired result? Our desired result is to select a red marble. So what we're looking for is what is the probability of selecting red. Okay, so to do that, you need to first find out, so how many reds are there? There are 3 red marbles out of how many total? There are 12 marbles because there are 3 red and 9 blue. So what is the theoretical probability that you will pull out a red marble? That is simply put 3 divided by 12 is a probability. So here I can put it as a fraction. I would definitely reduce the 3 over 12, which is 1 over 4. So that means the chance of selecting red marble is 1 out of 4 chance. And in decimal, you can also say you have 0.25 chance of selecting red marble. Or you can also say you have 25% chance of selecting red marble. These are all the same language here, just written differently. So again, to answer the question, what is a probability that you will select a red marble? You can say you have a quarter of a chance, you have a 0.25 of a chance, or 25% of a chance. All the same thing. Example 2. You select a blue marble from the bag in example 1 above. You add 9 red marbles to the bag. What is the probability that you select the blue marble? Okay, so you start with 3 red marbles, so 1, 2, 3, and you're going to add, you also have 9 blue marbles according to the example 1. And then it says select the blue marble from the bag in example 1 above. So you're going to take one away. So take one away. And then you're going to add 9 red marbles into the bag. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as a result, you have lost 1 blue marble and you have added 9 red marbles. So now we want to know what is the chance of selecting blue marble from the new selection. So after adding and taking away, there are now, how many there are? So there are now going to be 8 blue marbles and 3 plus 9, so 12 red marbles. 12 versus 8. So what is our favorable events? What are we desiring to find out? Our desire to know is what is the chance of selecting blue marble? So our favorable event is selecting blue marble, so there are 8 blue marbles in there. And then what is the total number of all possible events? You have to add the possible chance of selecting blue and also red. So 8 plus 12 is 20. So what that means is you have 8 out of 20 chance of selecting blue marble from the new selection of bags of the marbles. So let's find the probability of selecting blue. Selecting blue. So what is the probability of blue? Okay, so it will be 8. There are 8 marbles out of 20 total. So the chances are 8 out of 20 chance. So in a fraction form, I would like to reduce the 8 out of 20 and it will become 2 out of 5 chance because 8 and 20 both will be divided by 4. Then 2 out of 5 can be written as a decimal, and 2 out of 5 chance means there are 0.40 chance. In other words, there is a 40% chance of selecting blue marbles. Okay. So before in example 1, when there were less there were less red marbles, there are obviously a higher chance of selecting blue marble. Whereas now, because there are more red marbles, the chance of selecting blue marble has gone down. Okay, so always the chance of a total event is 100%. The maximum is 100% of a chance, and then anywhere under that is going to be a chance of happening and not happening. Okay. All right, so we're gonna see more of these examples throughout the week, and next week, please send me an email, leave a comment, or meet me on Friday during Google Meets if you have any questions or comments. Have a great week, and I hope to see all of you soon.